Welcome to video number 7 on Gap Advisors channel. In this video, we will discuss the operating cycle disclosure by companies in notes to the financial statements. We felt the need to discuss this topic because many companies have disclosed that they have determined their operating cycle as 12 months. This includes companies from FMCG sector and other sectors. This made us curious as to whether such a disclosure is proper and required by Ind AS. We observed that Ind AS does not require disclosure of operating cycle. I will repeat. We observed that Ind AS does not require disclosure of operating cycle. Paragraph 113 of Ind AS 1 on presentation of financial statements requires an entity to disclose in notes information that is not presented elsewhere in the financial statements but is relevant to an understanding of any of them. The disclosure of operating cycle, therefore, should enhance understanding of financial statements. Incorrect disclosure of operating cycle impairs understanding of financial statements and therefore is not in accordance with Ind AS 1. Accordingly, we tried to verify whether the disclosure of operating cycle as 12 months is supported by reported figures. In further slides, we will understand the requirements of Ind AS 1 and Division 2 of Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013 on operating cycle and also 4 examples from listed companies' published financial statements who have disclosed operating cycle as 12 months, illustrating calculation of operating cycle based on reported figures. Paragraph 68 of Ind AS 1 presentation of financial statements and clause 2 of general instructions for preparation of balance sheet of division 2 of schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013 state that the operating cycle of an entity is the time between the acquisition of assets and their realization in cash or cash equivalents. One company can have multiple operating cycles depending upon the different businesses it is engaged in. Therefore, identification of a clearly single operating cycle for entire company is a challenge, and any such number that is not verifiable may not be relevant to understanding of the financial statements. Accordingly, Ind AS 1 and Division 2 of Schedule 3 state that when the entity's normal operating cycle is not clearly identifiable, it is assumed to be 12 months. We will discuss 4 examples illustrating calculation of operating cycle from published financial statements of companies that have disclosed operating cycle as 12 months. Before going further, we would like to clarify that because of the analysis of expenses in profit or loss by nature of expense method, the cost of sales or cost of goods sold determination includes expenses reported under other expenses which we thought could be directly attributed to inventory. Therefore, the calculation may differ if further information on inventories recognized as expense is obtained. In this regard, we draw your attention to the disclosure requirements of Ind AS 2 inventories, which require inventories are recognized as expense to be disclosed. However, in absence of any cross reference to such a note disclosure in profit or loss, we could not get the required information readily. It may be noted that such absence of cross referencing would be considered as obscuring as per the revised definition of material in Ind AS 1. As you can see, our calculation suggests operating cycle of 4.71 months, whereas the company has disclosed 12 months. This is an example from a company in department stores industry. It is thought that such a company will be having short operating cycle. Our calculation suggests operating cycle of less than a month, whereas company has disclosed 12 months as operating cycle. This is an example from financial statements of a company engaged in paints industry. The company has disclosed operating cycle of 12 months, whereas our calculation suggests just 2 months of operating cycle. This is an example from financial statements of a company in FMCG sector. The company has disclosed operating cycle of 12 months. However, the calculation suggests operating cycle of less than 3 months. Based on what we discussed in previous slides, the following conclusions can be drawn. Ind AS does not require disclosure of operating cycle. When operating cycle is not clear, it is assumed to be of 12 months. However, companies without disclosing the fact of difficulty in identification of clear operating cycle disclose affirmatively that the operating cycle is 12 months, which is not proper. The companies may state that a clear identification of operating cycle is not possible because of so and so reasons, and therefore operating cycle is assumed to be of 12 months. However, where the company discloses operating cycle without stating the fact of difficulty in identification of clear operating cycle, it will be understood by users that the identification of operating cycle is clear, and therefore the company has disclosed the operating cycle as 12 months. In such a case, the operating cycle disclosure must be verifiable from the figures reported in the financial statements. Therefore, we recommend that a company must disclose operating cycle only when the same is clearly identifiable. Incorrect disclosure of operating cycle is not in accordance with Ind AS 1. Thank you so much for your time in watching this video. Kindly share this video to spread the knowledge and awareness on reporting under Ind AS. Request to subscribe to Gap Advisors channel by clicking the bell icon or the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. Register on gapadvisors.com and submit your issues on Indian GAAP and Ind AS for free. Thank you.